Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn a normal photo into a Y2K magazine styles using AI. It's super easy, beginner friendly, and you can even do it for free. So let's get started. First, just open your TrimFace app. If you don't have it yet, just download it from the Google Play Store and then just install it. And after installing, just simply log in using your Google account. And don't worry, TrimFace will offer a free plan with weekly free credit, so you can try this effect without spending any money. Okay. Next, once you are logged in, you will land on the home page like this, and then after that, just simply tap on AI filter. And next, just go to the new arrivals, and then in here just scroll to the filters and look for the Y2K magazine, this one. Just tap on it, and then after that just choose your photo or upload your photo that you want to transform into this magazine. And for the best result, maybe you can use a clear photo with good lighting and visible face. For example, I want to choose this one. And after that, next just simply tap on animate and wait for the process. And okay, like this, your photo is transformed into a Y2K styles magazine cover like this. It's complete with the early 2000s aesthetic. Just look at these details, pretty cool, right? It seriously looks like it came straight out of a retro fashions magazine. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how easy it is to turn your photo into a Y2K magazine styles using TrimFace. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.